questions. इस राउंड में हमारी हर टॉप 5 फाइनलिस्ट को एक सवाल का जवाब देकर जजेस को इंप्रेस करना होगा. Okay. So starting with contestant number 3, Khushi Mishra from Gujarat. All right, let's start with Shane Peacock.
Hi, Khushi.
Hi.
If you could change 3 things about India, what would they be and why?
So the first thing that I would change about India is how we treat certain taboo topics like sex and menstruation. They're not talked about enough. The second thing that I'd like to change about India is, again, our education system. And the third thing that I'd like to change about India, I think the hospitals are there, but quality is really not the best. So I would really like to change that. Thank you very much.
Well said.
Well said, Khushi. Thank you so much. And next up is contestant number 6, Rati Hulji from Karnataka. Falguni, go for it.
What is the one value from your previous generation you would like to discard, and what would that one value be you would want to preserve?
The one value that is mainly used in the previous generation, I feel, is about getting married at an age which is kind of a restriction. Is like it's actually morely used like a religion, which is not really fair. So I feel that's one thing that should be removed. So I think I'll be going with that.
And what would you like to preserve?
The value that I preserve is respecting our family members. I think that's one value that we Indians have, and we are very proud of, that we respect our family members. So I think we'll preserve that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rati. Thanks a lot. And moving on to the next contestant. That's contestant number 8, Manika Shiokhan from Haryana. All right. What's up, Pulkit, brother?
What's up, brother? What's up?
Guys, it's Pulkit Samrat.
Do you feel the social media creates unrealistic beauty standards? If yes, why? If no, then why?
I believe social media does create unrealistic beauty standards, but at the end of the day, it depends on us that we don't get influenced by those social media standards and accept our imperfections, because these are the flaws and imperfection which makes us beautiful and stand us out in the crowd, which makes us beautiful and unique. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manika. And moving on to the 4th contestant in top 5, contestant number 11, Manasa Varanasi from Telangana. Hi, neighbor. Chitrangda Singh.
According to you, which profession deserves the highest salary? Is it a soldier, a doctor, or the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, and why?
I believe they're all 3 very important professions, but if I had to pick one, then I would pick that of a soldier, because the job of a soldier is truly a tough one. They are risking their lives, they are defending our borders during times of adversity. I believe they deserve to be paid the highest. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Manasa. Big salute to all our soldiers. And moving on, contestant number 14, Manya Singh from Uttar Pradesh.
Let's just guess who
I'm
she's
just-
chosen.
Neha Dhupia, guys. Here you go.
Would you erase the year 2020 from your memory or preserve it, and why?
2020 हम लोग के लिए बहुत सारी यादें, अच्छी भी बुरी भी दे के गया है, और कहते हैं लाइफ में जब कोई बुरा चीज़ होता है तो वो हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखा के जाता है. तो मैं कभी भी कोई चीज़ें अगर मुझे गलत लगी हैं, उसने मुझे कुछ सिखाया है, तो मैं उसे इरेज नहीं करूँगी, मैं उसे प्रिजर्व करके रखूँगी, मैं उससे सीखूँगी कि मुझे क्या सीख मिली है और मैं आगे बढ़ूँगी, क्योंकि लाइफ है, उतार चढ़ाव आते रहते हैं। ये हम पे डिपेंड करता है कि हम इससे क्या सीखते हैं और कैसे आगे बढ़ते हैं। धन्यवाद।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मान्या, very well answered.
Thank you so much, Manya. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. Each one of you बहुत कमाल के आंसर्स दिए आप पांचों ने. Thanks a lot. So on that note, I would like to call the first contestant, contestant number 3, Khushi Mishra from Gujarat. And I would request all the 4 contestants to wear the headphones. ये noise cancellation के लिए, ताकि जो एक common सवाल है वो बाकी contestants ना सुन सकें. Khushi Mishra, your common question is, are you religious or spiritual? According to you, what is difference between spirituality and religion?
Thank you for the question. I think I'm both religious and spiritual. I think when it comes to religion, it's all about the traditions. There's an idol, there's worshipping, there's prayers. Spiritual is more this connection, this intrinsic connection with yourself and this universe that's outside. I'm religious when I pray to Krishna, when I do my Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya before coming on stage. And I'm spiritual when I meditate, when I sit with myself and I just calm myself down, everything that I did before my personal interview. So I think I'm both religious and spiritual, and I think that's the difference between the two.
Fantastic, Khushi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. And can I please request contestant number 6, Rati Hulji from Karnataka.
I'm a person who's more spiritual because for me, spiritual is all about mind and conscious, whereas religion is all about restrictions. I personally feel that having a good set of mind and soul is more important than believing in religious things. So I personally am a spiritual person. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rati. Can I now please have contestant number 8, Manika Shivkan from Haryana.
I believe religion and spirituality are in some way connected, but the religion is something which gives faith. It is related to hope that it gives to people and a sense of living. On the other hand, spirituality is related to peace, enlightenment, and love. I believe in spirituality rather than believing in a religion, because it is something that, I don't know it exists or not, but it's just faith that people believe in. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Manika. Thank you so much. Very well said. And moving on to the next contestant, contestant number 11, Manasa Varanasi from Telangana.
I think religion is governed by a set of rules that were set out by holy scriptures or fathers. But spirituality, on the other hand, takes it a step higher because it has more to do with your connect with the world or the universe. And on a personal note, I try my best to cultivate a sense of balance between my mind, my body, and my spirit, because I think my spirit is the very life force that drives me to learn and take action every day. And I try and do this through the habits that I cultivate, the yoga that I practice, and the relationships that I nurture every day. And so, on a personal note, I consider myself to be a deeply spiritual person. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Manasa. Very well said. Thank you so much. Okay, moving on to the last contestant. Contestant number 14, Manya Singh from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, are you religious or spiritual? According to you, what is the difference between spirituality and religion?
स्पिरिचुअल चीज़ ऐसी होती है कि हम कितना अपने आप से कनेक्टेड हैं, और रिलीजन चीज़ ये होती है लोगों की बनाई हुई चीज़ है. तो मुझे लगता है कि स्पिरिचुअल मैं हूँ क्योंकि मेरे पिता ने और मेरी माँ ने बचपन से मुझे सिखाया है कि आप जितना खुद से कनेक्ट रहोगे, आपके अंदर उतना ही प्यार रहेगा, और जितना प्यार आपके पास रहेगा, आप उतना ही लोगों को वो प्यार बांट पाओगे. थैंक यू. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, Baba. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. So thank you so much, all the 5 contestants.